Hello everyone, welcome to Pi4U. So, we know how to get input from user and we know how to use it. Today we are going to cover something about print statement, that is print function. Print function is really helpful for displaying the output in the required format or in the required sentences to make it more meaningful and better understanding. You can ask this question, why don't we do something with the print statement? Of course you can do. It's a small example. Temp is equal to input, enter the value. So here I use temp as variable name and I assign that whatever the input from the user to the variable temp. Here I enter something like, see now it is assigned inside the temp variable, and when you want to access that, there are two ways are there. First, you can directly type the variable name, that is temp, and if you hit enter you can get whatever the data that you have entered inside. This is the first type. And second type, you can use print statement directly in the interpreter mode, and for script mode you should type print variable name. I'll show the example. But in interpreter, at once the program executed, when you type the variable name temp, you can get that output. But when you try to do this in script mode, that is right hand side, it will be executing for the first line, and for second line it cannot do anything because it is just name of the variable and it is assigned, of course it is assigned with the value from the user. You cannot see the value which contained inside the variable temp. To access that in the output screen, you just have to use the print function like this. Now I enter the value. See now it is printed to the next line. You can add user-friendly statements inside that, like this is user entered value, and then I have introduced the new string, which means it will be shown exactly in the output, comma temp. See now I enter that. It looks so easy to understand. This is user entered value, that is 1452. It looks so even good. Then if you try to get input 1, entered value 1, you can also have this as your first value, that is the value 1 comma temp. That's fine. The entered value is 5. This is so helpful in the programs that you need to understand what is the use of the user-friendly statement. Let me have one more example with name and age. It was an old example. Name, input, enter the name, and then age, int of input, enter age. Here the print function can be used so efficiently. Print my name is comma name, which gets from user and which prints to us. Print I am age, comma years old. May it look so odd for adding the strings in the output statement, but once it is executed, you can understand the easiness of it. Enter the name, Pi4U, the age is 5. So my name is Pi4U, I am 5 years old. See how good is this? This is the use of print statement. And next video we'll be covering about what is the use of end and separation in print statement. Thank you guys, thank you for watching.